Morning dear students, welcome to your English online class. Children, as we were doing finite and non-finite verb chapter, we will continue with that. So in my previous video children, I explained you that what are finite and non-finite verbs, and I told you about kinds of non-finite verbs, which are infinitives, participles and gerunds. So in our previous video we did about infinitives and we did about participles. Now today we will do gerunds. Okay, now what are gerunds, children? Look at these sentences. Walking is a good exercise. He likes reading. The word walking and reading, children, they are formed by adding ing to the verb walk and read. You can see in this sentence, walk is a verb and we have formed this verb walking by adding ing to the verb walk. Okay, similarly we have formed this word reading by adding ing to the verb read. Okay, so in the first sentence, walking is the subject of the sentence. Walking is the subject of the sentence, and in the second sentence, reading is the object of the sentence. So they are working as the noun in the sentence. So the verbs which function as noun, they are called gerunds. Okay, the verbs which function as noun in a sentence, they are called gerund. So what is a gerund? A gerund is a non-finite verb, children, means which does not change according to the number and the person of the subject of the sentence. That words are called non-finite verb. A gerund is a non-finite verb which is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. It functions as a noun in a sentence, means it functions as a subject, or it functions as a subject, object, or subject complement or object complement in a sentence. Now we will study about some of the uses of the gerund. Now children, a gerund can be used as a subject in a sentence, like swimming is a useful skill to have. Now in this sentence, swimming, children, is the subject of the sentence and it is a verb, and we have made it noun by adding ing to it. Okay, so that's why it is a gerund, because it is a noun and we have added ing to it, and it is working as a subject in a sentence. Then gerund works as an object of the verb, like the magician tried predicting the future. The magician tried predicting the future. In this sentence, the word predicting is a gerund. Okay, because it is a verb and it is an object also in the sentence, and we have added ing to it, so it is working as an object in the sentence. It is a verb and we have added ing, so it is a gerund. Now gerund also work as a subjective complement in the sentence, like my hobby is exploring new places. Okay, so this word exploring is gerund in this sentence. Now what is a subject complement, children? A subjective complement is a word or a group of words which gives more information on the subject of the sentence. Okay, now gerund also work as a object of the preposition, like Tina is known for painting portraits. In this sentence, painting is the object of the preposition for. It is the object of the preposition for, and that's why it is a gerund. Okay, it is a gerund. Now gerund and infinitive, children, both gerund and infinitive are formed from verbs and can function as noun. Both gerund and infinitive, they are formed by verbs and they work as noun in a sentence. They can be used in place of each other in a sentence. For example, erring is human. In this word erring is gerund. So in place of this gerund, we can also write the same sentence as to err is human, and this is infinitive. Okay, so same way we can use infinitive in place of gerund also in a sentence. Now question number D. Fill in the blanks with using ing form of the verbs given in the box. Now see first one. Working for 48 hours at a stretch has made him ill. Okay. Now see another sentence. Promising something and going back on one's word is not acceptable. My brother's hobby is drawing portraits. Okay, so these words which we have filled in these sentences, we have formed them by adding ing to the given verbs. These are the verbs which are given to us, and we have formed these words by adding ing to it. Okay, and they are working as the gerund in the sentence. Okay, now fill in the blanks using gerund from the verbs given in the brackets. Now Sunita does not like going to the dentist. I hate borrowing money. So similarly you will do this question, children. Gardening is a good pastime. Now participles. What are participles, children? A participle, children, is a non-finite verb which acts like an adjective or a noun in a sentence. So participle is also a non-finite verb like gerund, but it acts as an adjective or a noun in a sentence. For example, crying, stopping, etc. Now children, participles are of two types. One is present participle and past participle. Now what are present participle? They are formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb like crying, stopping, etc. And past participle, children, they are formed by adding ed, en, d or n or t to the base form of the verb. Example, halted, broken, laughed, proven, bent, etc. Now how do we use participles? Now children, participle, they are used as an adjective in a sentence like the marked spot on the map showed where the treasure was hidden. Now in this sentence, marked word is a participle and it is working as a adjective in the sentence because it is modifying the word spot, which is a noun, and an adjective, children, we know that modifies noun. So here this word marked is modifying the noun spot, and it is a word which has been formed by adding ed to it. Okay, so this is past participle. Okay. Now a participle also act as a subjective complement in the sentence like the book I am reading now is quite interesting. Okay. And participle, children, also act as an objective complement in a sentence like we saw the fox chasing the rabbit. Now in the sentence, chasing is an objective complement and it is also it is a participle. Okay, it is a participle because it has been formed by adding ing to the verb chase. Okay. Now what is an objective complement, children? An objective complement is a word or group of words which gives more information on the object of the sentence. Now see question number F. Fill in the blanks with participle form of the verbs given in the bracket. I have always wished I could own a flying car. Now flying, children, is formed by adding ing to the verb fly and it is a participle. Okay. Next, there was a broken mirror near the doorstep. Now we have formed this participle by adding n to the verb broke. Now similarly, children, you will do this whole question. Okay. Now see this. I am happy that the government is funding the treatment of injured soldiers. Okay, so in this sentence, word injured is a participle. Okay, and it is we have formed this word by adding d to the verb injure. Okay, and I can't wait to finish watching this exciting film. Okay, so this is also a participle in this sentence. It is modifying the noun film. Okay. Now in the next question you have to identify and underline the non-finite verbs and you have to tell whether they are gerunds or present participles. See some of the sentences we will do, children. Rest you will do yourself. In the first one, the tempting desserts made my mouth water. In this sentence, the word tempting is present participle. Then running is a great way to keep fit. In this, running is gerund. The struggling fish was desperate to get out of the fisherman's net. In this sentence, struggling is present participle because it is modifying the noun fish. And rushing home, I saw my father leave by car. So this is gerund in this sentence. Okay, see the previous one. I love going hiking in the Nandi Hills. In this, the word hiking is gerund. Okay, the talking puppet delighted the children. In this, the word talking is present participle. It is working as an adjective in the sentence. It is modifying the noun puppet in this sentence. Okay, so same way, children, you will do the all the questions, do them, and go through the video thoroughly and we will discuss them in the class. Thank you. God bless you all.